There are 45 million blind and 250 million visually impaired people in this world. India being home to the world's largest population of blind people, but only 10% of this entire blind population actually know Braille, the blind reading language system. Yet, all the existing products are still being made in Braille and not catering to the needs of this community. Medications being one of the basic necessities, knowing Braille shouldn't be a barrier from them being independent. Moreover, due to the inability to consume precise medicine, they are exposed to multiple health hazards. Till today, there hasn't been any solution that enables blind to consume liquid medicines, and such a crucial problem has been overlooked all these years. Vanakkam Namaste. This is Siddharth Yuva from India, here to present my product Hope, a first of its kind inclusive product that enables blind people to consume liquid medicine precisely and promoting a healthier lifestyle for them. All the existing solutions for measuring liquid medicines works on only visual aspect, which is not beneficial for blinds at all. Every time they try using the existing measuring cup, the medicine overflows and falls all over the surrounding. Or the other thing what they try doing is they try putting their hand inside a measuring cup, which is really unhygienic and not precise at all. Most of the liquid medicine bottles have really similar forms and shape. So when they have to consume 2 or 3 liquid medicines at the same time, it really gets difficult for them to identify which one is the right medicine bottle. Moreover, due to the inability to consume precise medicine, it leads to overdosage, underdosage, and not completing the course treatment. Hence, it leads to multiple health hazards. So this crucial problem that has been overlooked for all these years needed a simple, inclusive solution that does not interrupt the existing system. So initial ideation started with exploring various concepts at different perspectives with an iterative approach. So the initial concepts and viable ideas were rapidly prototyped and tested with the blind users for constant feedbacks. Many prototypes and ideas were taken forward to satisfy all the needs, yet being really simple, easy to use and easy to manufacture. It was a long journey with constant broken prototypes, failures, learning from the users, refinements and constant feedbacks, and finally Hope was born. Hope has a completely new approach. It provides a completely new way of measuring liquid medicines. It uses both audible and tactile senses for precise measurement, enabling the blind to consume medicines precisely and distinguishing between the right medicine bottles. Using these fluorescent and distinct textures, it even allows the visually impaired to consume medicines. A new technology inspired by the unique abilities of a traditional syringe to suck the liquid medicine and these paper cutters that give out a click sound with every controlled movement up the blade comes out. So you open the existing cap of a liquid medicine bottle and attach Hope to the bottle and screw it onto the bottle. So for every movement the top part comes out. It provides a click sound for which 2.5 ml of liquid medicine is filled in the bottom compartment. Hope is currently at its final prototype stage. It has evolved from a first ever classroom project to a multiple award winning project currently. It even caters to visually impaired, so growing its market to 250 million people globally. The market for this product is increasing every day because the number of blind people are increasing due to multiple reasons like old age, diabetes in old age, glaucoma, cataract, etc. Lancet Global Health has predicted that by 2050, the number of blind people would be tripled to amount of 125 million globally. It is not only restricted to blind and visually impaired. Hope would play a crucial role in anyone who wants to consume liquid medicines. Since it provides a hassle-free and a completely enhanced user experience, it would play a really important role. I believe there'd be a point where every liquid medicine bottle would come along with Hope as an attachment to enhance the user experience of consuming liquid medicines. Hope is not restricted to healthcare industry alone. It would play a crucial role in other industries where precise measurement of liquids is required. For example, Hope would play an important role in research labs, biotechnology labs, and kitchen products where precise measurement is required. 45 million blind, 250 million visually impaired. I believe hope would create an impact in improving lives of all these population. Let's make blind people more enabled and independent by making hope a reality. Thank you.